Hi, today in front of me Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So one more time. Ampere. So let's cancel it and install it one more time. Maybe something with the internet connection, I don't know. Okay, everything is okay. Now we should just open the application, and here we should tap to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. Now we can see here information about our device battery temperature. That's at the 24 degrees in my case. Also here we can see more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.